The president is no longer with us. Were the president with us, we cannot be suffering perilous times like we are suffering now. We cannot be in the situation we are in this country. Banditry, pervasive hunger, insecurity, terrorism, kidnapping. Every facet of our national life is in danger. The country is on the edge. We are about to explode. Definitely the president is not with us. And it is so sad that he is not available, he is not with us, and he is yet to join our ancestors. The president is in transition, and anyone who is in transition cannot effectively do anything. And that is why there is no coordination in governance. That is why everyone is doing what he or she likes. That is why nobody is in charge of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That is why we are in a state of higgledy-piggledy, total confusion, darkness everywhere. Definitely the president is not with us. The president is not with us. That is why the economy is in shambles. The president is not with us. That is why there is no coordination in governance and the administration of same in Nigeria. The president is not with us. God help the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.